Restocking, guys. Ayan guys. Ito sa ibabaw ng truck muna. Inalo yung yung area. Kung lang linya yung lalatad namin. So. Traffic na po, traffic guys. Traffic masyado, traffic dito. Nakita yung bumbero. Ayan guys. Nakita nyo ba? Ayan guys. Maba na. Maba na. Diba?
Alarm location, Barangay 98 Santa Ana, Manila. 970 third alarm location, J. Posada, 8898 Santa Ana, Manila. All residential. Responding unit, Mr. B engine, Mr. B tanker need water supply. Mr. B engine, Mr. B tanker need water supply.
Okay, sabi sa Barangay 88 Santa Ana, Manila Station. Second Station, Alpha, Barangay United, August 1.